You won't believe what happens if you remove RAM while gaming. Here's what I wish I knew about RAM before I ruin my computer during a game. Spoiler, it's not pretty. So you're deep in a game, adrenaline pumping, someone pulls out the RAM stick. Instantly, your screen freezes. The game immediately crashes to desktop. Your whole PC basically freaks out. There's no save point to recover progress. Your progress is gone, lost without backup. You might even damage your hardware. RAM is your computer's short-term memory. Remove it, and everything just stops. Next time, remember, RAM isn't just a part. It's the lifeline of your gaming rig. It's the lifeline of your gaming rig.